Hi there, for reading today, we are going to be reviewing Central Idea. The central idea is what the story is mostly about. So, this right here, the little light bulb, the central idea is the point the author wants you to understand. So, you need to think, what is the story mostly about? Well, most informational books, and I'll give you an example of an informational book in just a moment, have a central idea that the author wants you, the reader, to take away from the text. So, how can you do that? Well, you can use the details in the text to figure out the central idea. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you an example, and we're going to look at the title, the pictures, and for words that are said over and over and over again. Okay? So here's my example. The title is Planets, right? So we're looking at the title, pictures, and words that are said over and over again. These are going to be our details that are going to help us figure out the central idea, what the story is mostly about. Remember, another word for story is text. Okay? So, title is planets. Let's go ahead and look at some pictures. This is Hello Planets. Our solar system, your planet Earth. So that's just a few pictures I showed you, and I kept seeing stuff about planets, like Earth. It's all our solar system with all the planets, and then the first page says Hello Planets. So I just kept repeating the word planets over and over again. So that word is said over in this story. Alright, so details. We have dwarf planet, planet Earth, the inner planets. Those are all little details. What do you think the central idea of this book is? By looking at the pictures, the titles, and words that I kept repeating over and over again. What do you think the story is mostly about? What do you think this text is mostly about? Planets. Excellent job. So, again, right here, the central idea is the point the author wants you to understand. What point do you think the author is trying to get across to us, the reader? The author wants us to learn about planets, give us real information about planets, right? So, the central idea that the author is trying to get to us is to give us real information about planets. Okay? So, that's just a quick little review over central idea. Remember, informational text. What's informational mean? You're going to get real information, truth, facts, right? You're going to be learning about real things. All informational texts have a central idea that the author wants you, the reader, to take away from the text. So, how can you do that? You use the details. You look at the title, the pictures, and words that are said over and over again. All right, hope you enjoyed today's little lesson.